Hello, good morning. I wanted to show you what I'm wearing underneath my bike suit. It's literally leggings, long sleeve like thermal top. I've got even another singlet underneath. I really want to keep my chest warm today. Longish kind of socks. Yeah, I'm really trying to keep my chest warm because I don't know if you can tell from my voice, but I have a cold. Yeah, I got my cold when we went riding last time because it was, although it wasn't windy, it was really icy in the air and I just wasn't dressed correctly, so spent all week recovering from that. So today I'm making sure I'm ultra warm. I'm going to keep my neck warm, my chest warm, cover my nose and mouth so I'm breathing in kind of some warmer air. And yeah, you'll just follow me along today. I'm currently in the vlogging mode. The sun is out today, so it's beautiful. It's still cold, but no wind, so it should be good. And yeah, I'll show you once I put on the rest of it because I have a vest I'll wear and then my usual windproof jacket I put on top as well. I'll come back and I'll show you that. I'll turn on the lights for you so it'll be a bit better, but my vest, can you even see it? Here's like my puffy little vest here. And then my jacket that you always see that I wear on top for my windproof, so keep me warm. Hello, it is the first day of spring. Actually, technically it's day 2 of spring. Anyway, fuel station. Bikes are beautiful.
How good is it that the sun is out today?
It sure is. No sunshine, no fun.
Yes, no sunshine, no fun. So what did we do in winter? Just have no fun.
We had less fun.
Okay. Actually, we had a pretty decent winter. Definitely looking forward to the hot sun. And what about you?
Yeah, for sure.
Hot sun, or you normally say if it's too hot you can't ride?
Well, hot sun is good. I don't mind it.
These are our bikes. They double as a coat hanger and helmet hanger, as you can see. Very chill today. Today almost like it's a Saturday, but it feels like it's a Sunday. Like it's just very relaxed, don't you think? And then we met some really nice bikey people with their cruiser bike up at Kinglake, and they were really nice.
Day 8? Yeah, that's right. Pretty good. Nice place.
Thanks.
Yeah, I like double R there. Winter's gone. Have you still got some points on your license for bike lane?
He's got me next to him.
Him now.
Yeah.
I don't believe that.
Hey, good looking bike, man. Thanks, buddy.
Sick pipes on the seat.
Exactly the same one, huh?
Yeah, we got exactly. Sick pipe. Yeah, we bought exactly.
They're both the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, literally the same.
Awesome.
Woo! SC project. I just sold my CBR.
Check out the wheels,
Yeah, cruiser.
Yeah.
It's a carbon.
Yeah, it comes like that.
I like the look of it.
Yeah.
So it's the S1000. Well, what year?
Not as comfortable as you guys would be.
Yeah, right.
It's got Amelia's
whole
signature.
bike.
It's even got a name on it. Hey?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought this said wheelie there.
Yeah.
No, she doesn't do wheelies.
Amelia2Wheels, yeah.
Oh, you can't do it?
You're leading so much? Leading on the corners?
What about you guys?
A little bit.
We're just from Melbourne.
I do alright.
We're both from Melbourne.
I was done then.
Oh yeah, I know you're just a little bit
Yeah,
silly.
I'm
You're
not staying home
prejudiced.
anymore. It's amazing, man. Yeah, I'm going 60k, so I want to go to more.
Yeah, they're nice.
And then from
They're
here,
really
like
good.
2 more.
You'll just have to get used to the riding position again.
I start from CBR
Yeah.
to cruiser
Yeah.
for different riding.
Yeah, I can imagine it'll be very different.
Especially with app hangers and whatnot, so your arms up.
Yeah.
Like,
Do you? Okay, I've always wondered. Do your arms get tired?
depends on how high it is. If
Yeah.
over your shoulder is it's hard.
Yeah.
You need to be level to your shoulder. So it's perfect. Back straight,
Yeah,
arm
yeah.
straight.
Yeah.
Which sounds like SC project.
It's only a slip-on. I'll tell.
My bike's only got 60.
Feels alright.
My bike's only got 60 horsepower. Right? You're making me feel
How
like
many horsepower is this?
200.
Oh my god.
200 and-
Nice meeting you guys, eh?
Yeah, you too, right,
have a
Jake?
good ride.
We had a good convo. Oh, look how clear my brake fluid is after my service. See how clear that is? I haven't serviced, like it was my 10k service, and then this is his. And yours was serviced like 10k ago, almost. And look how cloudy it is. So make sure you service your bikes. Don't forget. I feel like sick now. I think I felt fine when we were riding, because we were riding, so there was something to distract me. And then as soon as we got home, I was like, dead. This is the outfit. Minus the Ugg boots. Don't judge me. I think so. Maybe we can demolished. It was good. And you should always stack your plates. Let me show you guys this beautiful view. Look at that. Nothing like coming to the beach, hearing the waves after a good ride out. I don't know if you can hear it. If you enjoyed today's video, I feel so much better after eating that food. I'm gonna leave it here. Thanks for watching. Stay safe always, and I will see you in the next one.